What's up, guys? So, another video, and today I'm gonna be watching I'm the Biggest Bird, like all of them in like one video. So you guys see there's one video right here, already starting off with SpongeBob.
Alright, we get the point.
So yeah, I'm a kid, and I'm also a goofball, and a wingnut, and a knucklehead McSpagatron.
What's going on here?
Oh,
But
he's having a
most of
breakdown
all,
right now.
Hey, settle down.
I'm-
Take it easy.
I'm-
What the scout?
I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird.
Okay, guys, so that was actually pretty fire. Look at this.
So a goofball, and a
Pretty good video. We'll start off with SpongeBob, and I think that's Plankton right there. And then got all the birds. This is a pretty good video, and that's actually like a real bird. I don't know if like his resolution was just squeezed out or something. I don't even know what the heck that is. And pretty good video, and I think that was like that one guy from Sesame Street who came out of it. Anyways, that's a pretty good video. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, guys, got another video. I'm the Biggest Bird. Let's see how this one plays out.
Oh no, oh no. But I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest
dude,
bird,
look at
I'm the
his face.
biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Oh no. But I'm the
That's
biggest
the
bird,
biggest
I'm the
bird right there.
biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
Oh my gosh, that guy is so chunky.
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm
Bro, got that W Riz right there.
the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
Yep, that's definitely the biggest bird, guys. It can be concluded. This guy is like the biggest bird. Look at him, bro. Bro's like bigger than EDP. Anyways, let's move on to the next video. Alright, another I'm the Biggest Bird video. So, there's this guy right here. I don't even know what the heck this guy is. He's just some sort of pig. Let's see how this plays out. Alright, okay. Oh, he just got owned. Oh shoot. Oh my god. Oh, he just got owned. Oh. Oh, he just destroyed their town. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my god. He rolls so fast. Oh my gosh, bro. Yeah, that guy. I forgot what his name was, but yeah, that's definitely the biggest bird. This guy, I don't even know what his name is, but he's definitely not the biggest bird, but the biggest bird. This guy right here. This guy is like super chunky. That's why he just bodied them, bro, like it was nothing. Anyways, we're gonna move on to the next video. So let's transition into that. Okay, guys, found another I'm the Biggest Bird video. So let's play this out.
Don't know what you've heard.
Alright.
Don't know what you've heard. I don't know
Huge.
what you heard.
Oh, how big is that?
But I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest
Oh my,
bird.
that looks cursed.
I'm the biggest bird.
Oh, yep,
I'm the
that's
biggest
him.
bird.
Yep.
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the
Oh,
biggest
look at his
bird.
face, bro.
I'm the biggest bird. Bigger than a cassowary or an
Wow,
ostrich.
bro.
They wanna be
All
like
bounce up
me,
super
but they
high.
can't be like this. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
Oh, yep.
I'm the biggest
Classic
bird.
right
I'm the
there.
biggest bird.
Oh, again with that first question.
They wanna be like
Yes, sir.
They wanna be like Chickadee singing in a wind.
Oh, again, bro, what the heck? That looks so cursed. Oh, yep. There you go. So, guys, I think this video is probably just going to play off of the same thing, like, over and over. But look, yep, this is the classic. I don't even know what his name is. This is definitely the biggest bird. He's probably, like, the biggest one out of all of whatever the bird thing is called. But there's like, a music video, I think, called I'm the Biggest Bird. So that's what's, like, playing in every single one. And it's funny. So, let's move on to the next video. So, transition into that. Okay, guys, I found another video of I'm the biggest bird, but I just decided to put this in the video because it says, but it's reversed, so let's see what that actually even means. Bro, what the heck is that? What's even happening, bro? Is this guy singing right now, bro? Oh, bro, look at his jaw, bro. Literally, it's all glitched out right now. Oh, he's crying right now, bro. What is he doing? He literally broke the slingshot, bro. Like, what the heck? He's like really chunky, bro. He's like literally EDP. Oh, yes, sir. I was like planning for the war or something, bro. What the heck is this? What is this? Why is he taking pictures? That guy is so sussy. Why is there TNT, bro? What the heck? This is a little bit weird, so, just like that. Oh, W Riz, yes, sir. Oh, his name is Terrence? Oh, so this guy's name must be Terrence. Bro has like the best painting skill, yes, sir. Aw, bro, he's crying right now, bro. Oof. Bro, you literally drink too much Prime, bro. You should really stop drinking that, man. Look at his face, bro. Like, look, he's so serious. Look at his eyebrows, bro. They're literally bushes. Oh, he got the cops on him. He got the cops on him. Alright, guys, so that's the end of that video. So I might wrap it up for this video. So then subscribe if you guys want to. Like this, I would actually recommend liking. But share this with other people if you guys want to. And I'm gonna end off with this because look at this dude, bro. He's really caught by the cops. You can only see blue and then red on the other side. So anyways, guys, I'll end it up there. So see you guys in the next video. So goodbye.